About the Zcam with a deeper aperture lens allows you to create shallow depth of view videos. It will covers as sensors some lens v. Chromatic aberration seamer product details in the description. Target this product today at the best price. About the Zcam with a deeper aperture lens allows you to create shallow depth of view videos. It will covers as sensors some lens v. Chromatic aberration seamer product details in the description. Target this product today at the best price. About the Zcam with a deeper aperture lens allows you to create shallow depth of view videos. It will covers as sensors some lens v. Chromatic aberration seamer product details in the description. Target this product today at the best price. About the Zcam with a deeper aperture lens allows you to create shallow depth of view videos. It will covers as sensors some lens v. Chromatic aberration seamer product details in the description. Target this product today at the best price.